Hello peeps, welcome to my review video on the solar charger from AddTop. And some of you already know that when you're living on a sunny and beautiful island, sometimes, most of the time I will have to say, we are going to the beach. When you go to the beach, you're taking your phone with you, you would like to relax and listen some very good music. And sometimes, your battery is running out. So what do? You cannot go back home. You cannot do anything. So when I first saw this solar charger from AddTop, I was thinking that's a pretty cool idea actually. Let's take a look so I can show you exactly what is inside and how it works. Let's go. And as you can see, it's coming within that box where you can find the solar charger itself, a user manual, and after that, a cable. Alright, so now let's take a close look at the solar charger. And as soon as you open it, you can see that it has 4 panels. I have the main one here with the battery behind, and next to that, 3 other panels. So now let's take a look at the size. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's not even bigger than my phone, which can ensure that you can put it in your pocket or even in your small bag. With the user manual, you will find the different instructions on how to use it. And note that in case you don't have enough sun, you also have that cable here provided in the box that you can use in order to recharge it. In order to use it, you just need to plug it in, and then after that, use the other side to plug it to the wall. And next to that, you also have 2 USB connectors to connect your device. On the side here, you also have the little indicator here showing you that the battery is working. And it shows you also when it's even fully charged. On the back here, as you can see, it also has a flashlight that you can put in a normal mode or even in a SOS mode. A pretty handy tool, especially if you are lost into the wood and you don't know how to find your way. Alright, so this is it for this review. Now I'm going on the beach to try it out and relax after a very long day of work. Hopefully, I hope that this will help you to decide what type of solar charger to use. And on my side, I will see you next time.